Kataka Football Club were trailing by 3 goals to 0. A side that lost into this first leg played a few days back. Uganda Cup final against 1.Kcca Football Club. But again, of the focus in today's live action of the Stanbic Uganda Cup 7 to the Uganda Cup fixtures. As referee gets long throw from Kataka. And the flicking touch here and a good chance here for the Lufumbi side through their captain Nama. Regain their possession. James, one in there, drops that long cross. All are bouncing just right. A chance here for Osama Arafat. Osama Arafat tries to go in for those Kcca Football Club numbers up front. Cross laid quickly here. And Gabriel. Good corner coming in from Yao Gabriel. Down to the back post. And Uganda Cup games. Chance here for Utalo to break it. Or can they? Opportunity with that shot. Mubezi. It's a very good Kcca Football Club combination. And Mubezi brought down by takes possession. Good run coming through from a Branjala. That was in 2018. One end there. Long ball all coming through was one end there. So cross laid inside. And really up to this task to try to deliver something for Kcca Football Club as Chan is back onto the playing pitch. Cross laid inside, and was almost beats Isaac Owenye. Breaks that ball back to Jao Gabriel. Utalo. It's a very easy now in possession. Jared Brad. Long one. Goal of Namaisi. Was getting that much space with the Nyama committing that set piece delivered. Good chance here for Kataka again, but Mogolopa reacting as much. Philbert Obenchan now calling the set piece delivered. Good chance here for Kataka again, but Mogolopa reacting as much. Philbert Obenchan now calling the Jao Gabriel. It's a very good ball there from Jao. 5 minutes to be played here at the Mbale Municipal Grounds into the shot coming in from Sedon Joji. And Anyama quite very hard there for Anyama to get through. As shot coming in from Sedon Joji. And Anyama quite very hard there for Anyama to get through. As tries out this Namaisi challenge. Jao Gabriel! What a goal here from tries out this Namaisi challenge. Jao Gabriel! What a goal here from Jao Gabriel! And the fans darling gives a Kcca Football Club. Tries out this Namaisi challenge. Jao Gabriel! What a goal here from Jao Gabriel! And the fans darling gives a Kcca Football Club. Could be coming in from this long distance. Shot coming in from Namaisi. It could be coming in from this long distance. Shot coming in from Namaisi. Stephen Namaisi. This is a good ball. Officer to taken by Jao Gabriel. Good ball inside. Osama Arafat. Taken by Jao Gabriel. Good ball inside. Osama Arafat. To block that Kataka Football Club chance with the flick. Mubezi! And patched by Nsubuga. Controlled by Anyama. To block that Kataka Football Club chance with the flick. Mubezi! And patched by Nsubuga. Controlled by Anyama. As Isaac Owenye with a good and quick strategy to deliver the ball. That long throw. That push, rare to see a Kcca Football Club grabbing and getting at that back-to-back final. Chance here for Kataka, and they have one. So nice chance here for Kataka, and they have one. Chance here for Kataka, and they have one. So nicely taken in finish for the Kataka Football Club forward. Rich options in terms of how they want to try their central defensive areas. Now 2 against 3 here. So it's a good ball inside. On a half volley, Osama, and saved by Nsubuga. Mugume. Good goal could be here for Kcca, but not saved. Another chance here for Kcca. Usama. Ball is out here for into that ways. This is Usama's corner started. Serenjoje looks on with a few Kcca Football Club options down to the Nomaisi. Got of preparations here in terms of how the goalkeeper was formed. And Mugume Duka to Anyama. Anyama does well. Anyama to the bar line, delivers that good ball into that box, but Duka to Anyama. Anyama does well. Anyama to the bar line, delivers that good ball into that box, but controlled by Sami. Dunjoje. Usama. Good stretch coming in from Usama. Very good fight. Taken up quickly. Chance here for Kcca Football Club to make it count, but Malo. Good stretch coming in from Usama. Very good fight. Taken up quickly. Chance here for Kcca Football Club to make it count, but Malo went mostly into this second half as we saw things were running out into the Poloto turns one. Crossed by Poloto. Kcca Football Club will be having case could be on how to defend this. Namaisi. So ball flicked down to the municipal grounds as a Kcca Football Club call it a wrap. Obese a very much at the 1.Kcca Stadium in Mengo. Obese a very much at the 1.Kcca Stadium in Mengo to the first leg, and of course getting this goal quite Kataka Football Club believe that of course they have been ejected. But a very good fight coming out of the game, or goals coming into the second half. But Kcca Football Club dream of having they've been performing in the league. This is the moment they've been waiting for. It is a full time.